After installing the project, our electricity bills have been reduced to 0 rupees. We don't have to pay electricity bills now. Hello, I'm Rishabh Patel and this is my house. My joint family has been living here since the past 40 years in Pradhikaran, Pimpri Chinchwad. So after the pandemic, the sustainable energy wave, green solutions, it was quite prevalent. And that is when we decided that we should contribute to nature, we should reciprocate, we should try and go for solar and other renewable sources of energy. Along with the environmental benefits, it served the monetary purpose also. Earlier we used to get electricity bills in the range of 10 to 15,000 rupees per month, which was very high. And that is when we decided to install solar. With a one-time investment, we now get 0 electricity bill every month. Got to know about them through a reference. There are actually quite a lot of options in the market, but we chose Atmosphere Technologies. So Atmosphere Technologies, I would like to say they were very professional. We had on-time communication, on-time service throughout the installation process. Even before they explained us all the calculations, how we would get 0 electricity bills, and they also managed all the government regulations with MSEB, etc. And overall the service was very great. We are satisfied with the service. Solar is a very great initiative. You get to run all the appliances in your house just using the natural power of the sun. You don't have to pay any electricity bills if you install good capacity. One-time investment with continued lifelong benefits. The solar panels last long. So it is a very great option. I think people should consider. There are a lot of agencies involved in this process, but Atmosphere, I would like to say, is very professional. On-time communication, on-time service. They are very fantastic and they know their job very well. So I would like to recommend it to others.